2007, IPCOM is the recognized expert in commercial networking solution. Currently, IPCOM provides extensive product lines including wireless access point, router, switch, outdoor CPE, etc. So far, IPCOM has provided cost-effective wireless networking devices and solutions for a considerable number of industries, including enterprise, hospitality, education, healthcare, catering, retail, and so on. Introducing Profi, the cloud management system developed by IPCOM. On Profi system, you can remotely manage, monitor, and operate IPCOM products. The dashboard of Profi allows you to check network usage and traffic distribution. With the AI-driven technology, Profi is capable of making an intelligent analysis on network condition and troubleshooting quickly, which contributes to better business application. IPCOM Enterprise Router delivers high-performance network for small and medium-sized enterprises. Powerful features of firewall, smart bandwidth control, and multiple authentication methods are integrated to ensure efficient and secure enterprise network solutions with IPCOM Enterprise Routers. IPCOM Switch provides stable and fast wired network for enterprises. It supports abundant L2 and L3 features, remote cloud management, topology visualization, robust secure mechanism, and so on. IPCOM Switch has stronger switching capacity that unleashes higher performance. IPCOM AP is undoubtedly versatile in every sense. Adopting new technology, IPCOM Access Point provides faster speeds, wider coverage, stronger anti-interference capability, and centralized cloud management. More importantly, IPCOM Access Point is enhanced with higher user capacity, which allows more users to access the network simultaneously, and together with the fabulous seamless roaming, it provides users with better network experience. It is a commonly concerned problem that there are sometimes Wi-Fi dead zones in the office, leading to terribly laggy network experience. However, IPCOM can perfectly solve this problem by providing smooth and excellent network solutions. This is the IPCOM networking solution for 1 to 50 people enterprise office. An office may contain office zone, rest zone, meeting room, and server room. The server room is fairly important, where we can deploy an enterprise router for network access and centralized management. The powerful IPCOM Enterprise Router functions as gateway, AP controller, and PO switch. The highly integrated router benefits enterprises a lot by reducing the networking costs. In offices, excellent Wi-Fi coverage and fast roaming are necessarily required for connected devices when moving around in large office zones. Based on the size of the office zone and the number of connected devices, IPCOM ceiling-mounted AP is the optimal choice for high-speed and stable network, with wider coverage and seamless roaming. The imperceptible roaming process is so fast and seamless that there is never a second when your connection drops. Besides, equipped with Wi-Fi 6 technology, the maximum rate is up to 3,000 megabits per second. Meeting rooms are small in size and have fewer connected devices. Each meeting room could be deployed with an in-wall AP. It is elegant, aesthetic, and pleasing, with high-speed and stable wireless network. The networking solution for 50 people office is reliable, cost-effective, and powerful. When you choose IPCOM solutions, similarly, you are bound to enjoy the benefits in return. IPCOM gives you the advantages of low maintenance costs, fast installation, easy configuration, simple operation, and comprehensive functions. Ever since IPCOM was founded, we have never stopped making progress and advancing ourselves. The ultimate goal of us is to work hard to satisfy customers with top-notch and high-performance products. IPCOM, the reliable and trustworthy expert in commercial networking solutions.